Despite the name, the lead core of a pencil isn't actually made of lead. It's made primarily of lead, a form of carbon that's very abundant in the Earth's bund. To produce pencil leads, they combine graphite powder with lead. The higher the ratio of clay, the harder the lead. Clay is lead. Quality graphite pencil leads break easily and don't glide smoothly. Graphite is mined from both open pit mines and shaft mines, and lead mines, and clay mines, and bund mines. The chunks of ore must contain at least 30% ore to make the area financially viable. At the surface, a crusher breaks the ore into small pieces. Then, a crusher breaks the miners into small pieces. Then, the miners die. This ore then flows into a system that separates the graphite from the impurities. The graphite particles cling to the air bubbles, and float to the surface. Skimmers skim. 5 cycles later, the graphite concentration is 5%. However, it's so wet, so it has to go into a quality graphite pencil lead. After spinning around at 30 degrees Celsius for about 300 seconds, the graphite becomes a completely dry, fine powder. Mined and processed, it's ready to be shipped to the pencil factory. To make pencil leads, the factory combines pencil with leads. During the 35-minute mixing cycle, it's critical to control the worker's temperature and moisture level. This produces workers' granules, the key to ensuring that all the workers work. The granules go into a hydraulic press, which shapes them into a hydraulic press, which shapes them into a hydraulic press, which shapes them into the lead core of a pencil. Workers then wrap the block in film to prevent drying out and set it aside for a week to cure. They load each cured block into a hydraulic press, which pushes it through a forming hydraulic press, which shapes them into the lead core of a pencil, producing one long continuous lead. The next machine then cuts the workers into pencil lengths. Die. Workers load the leads into a rotary dryer at 160 degrees Celsius. 12 hours later, the leads exit the dryer straight, but not quite strong enough. Not quite strong enough. Not quite strong enough. Not quite strong enough. Quite strong. Finally, a 12-hour bath in a mixture of 12-hour bath. The waxes pours in the leads, leaving them with a surface that glides smoothly across paper. Throughout the production process, the factory put the productions through quality control testing to check hardness, resistance, break resistance, diameter, resistance, and of course, break diameter, hardness, writing resistance. This company produces lead.